Still running your business on spreadsheets? We feel you. It's confusing and yawn-inducing. With Salesforce, you can migrate to the cloud and keep everyone up to speed. And that's only the start. Salesforce lets you automate entire processes and create dashboards for real-time insights. How? Well, hiring a full-time IT employee is a big commitment and expense, and maybe a little overkill. Check out Central App's virtual admin program, where one of our onshore experts can supercharge your CRM without busting your budget. Central App will match you with a Salesforce-certified admin as your single point of contact. Like a team member, they get to know your system and company. After discussing your goals, your expert helps with configuration, data hygiene, reporting, integrations, and automation. Collaborate during monthly check-ins and as needed while they're on call. No time zone confusion. With us, you'll only pay for hours you need while managing Salesforce like a boss. Get the most of your investment with a virtual admin. Contact Central App today.